This one, it's going to be a good one. Hopefully we can get this thing to turn over and fire up. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because we've got a few more extra projects that might be coming on board. If you want to see them, stay tuned. So as you saw, we're going to try and get this thing to fire up. So we've got most of all the stuff hooked up. Fuel rag, going to test that out. Don't worry about the piece of garden hose. That's just a temporary thing, just so she can fire up. I got a sort of jerry-rigger oil pressure sensor, because I haven't got it yet. It's still waiting. Good old Australia Post courier. Fans all wired up. Got all the fuel system done. So I got the feed out of the pump, the return. Got some fuel thrown in it. We'll see. Got to plug the ECU in. Also checked the ECU at the dyno tuner. He plugged into it, checked. So can only run it for about a minute. It's got a bit of a problem with the charge rate on the coils, because it's an LS1 ECU with LS2 coils. So I don't really want to fry them. So you can only run it for about a minute if we get it going, which is more than enough. I haven't got coolant going into it yet, and just want to see if it's going to fire up. So, moment of truth, priming the fuel system. We have pressure. Looks about right. Ready? Yep, here she comes, quicker. Sweet. Yep. Well, this is the moment of truth. We'll got all the plugs in, built up oil pressure as you've seen. So we'll turn it over and fingers crossed it does something.
No fuel. You plug the fuel back in. Your fuel pump's not running.
Yeah. Round 2. Righto. On. Whoa, go again. Good old start your bastard. Ready? Bump the, yeah. Ready? Righto. As you've seen, didn't really want to go. Kick under, a bit of aero start, nothing fancy. So kind of knew we're not getting any fuel. So we've got an LED test light. We've checked get the injector pulse, but still nothing. So I ended up pulling injectors out and then tested them on the bench. They weren't ticking or doing anything, so I kind of knew they were a bit kaput. But so gonna send them away this week. We'll see how we go. We'll go from there when I get them back. See if they can clean them up, free them up, or yeah, worst comes to worst, I have to get some new ones. So we'll hopefully next week should be a goer. So stay tuned. We're back, another week. Found out, got the injectors tested. Here's the old ones, obviously. 6 out of the 8 of them were no good. So, kind of had a feeling. Engine's been sort of sitting for about 5 years. No fuel, not doing anything. So, they tried cleaning them, bringing them back, no good. So, obviously, I got 8 new Bosch ones. Just standard OEM ones put back in. So we've got them all in already now. We'll hopefully crank her over and go from there. I'll show you a few other things that I've done during the week while I'm waiting for him to come back. So I've been waiting for the injectors, also set the ECU away, get a few things tidied up on it, double checked it all. So while I've been doing that, I've been playing with the TIG welder. Got the 2 pipes in and out of the water pump, ready to connect up to these. So keep doing that later on in the week once I get it going. We'll hopefully bolt them down properly. Got P-clamps and stuff, and then we'll be able to get these hooked up. And yeah, get the radiator all hooked up. So hopefully get an accelerator cable made this week, I think. And we'll see. Alright, fingers crossed. I gotta fill the fuel rig, the rail and everything back up. Ready? Run.
Get a fire extinguisher, Tony?
What is it?
All the headers and because it's.
Did you repaint them?
No.
What else is that noise?